Hey there, YouTube. So my family at the holidays loves to express their Second Amendment right, and we have a family tradition of target shooting with our handguns, of blowing up tannerite with our rifles, and with shooting clay pigeons with our shotguns. Well, this year for us is a little bit different because my oldest son is deployed for the first time overseas, and he will not be home for the holidays for the first time in his entire life. So this mama had to come up with something that I could send him for the holiday that would make him feel like he was back home and carrying on the family tradition. So take a look and see the awesome pea shooters we made to send overseas to my son and his team. I hope you enjoy. Please go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see further videos I put together. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, so you will need one piece that's 2.5 inches, one piece that's 3 inches, and one piece that's 8 inches. You'll need a T and a cap. And then you take the T, put in the 2.5 inch in one side, twist it in there, put the 3 at the bottom of the T, twist it in there, put the cap on the end of that 3 inch and twist it on there, and take the 8 and put it into the other side of the T and twist it in. Okay, that's the next step. Okay, so then we're outside and we're going to go ahead and do a base. So the cool thing you can do when you're doing camo is to pick off a piece of your evergreen bush. And now that we have a base color down, get a darker, make sure that it's okay. And so then you're just gonna, good. You just do one. Cool. Okay, pick a different color. Oh. That is not the color it's supposed to be. Or maybe it is, it's just not.
Satin, yes. Satin.
No, satin is the sheen. Colors. We did a camo effect with some of the evergreen over on this side. This is the part of the video where my son got lazy and made me take the project to him. So after the paint dried, we brought it into his room and we put you want to get the thick kind of balloons, not the real thin, cheap ones. And I just picked mine up from the local supermarket floral department, and it was cheap. Anyway, I pinched, as you can see in this video, I pinched the end of it while my son duct taped the other part of the balloon to the pipe and then wrapped it around to the end of the pipe while I held on to that piece of balloon. And then after you're done, you're ready to put a pea down in there and pull back and shoot.
That's the best one.
So here are my pea shooters. These are my pea shooters. They are, you can see I've got a spray paint all over me still. Look at this. Whoa. Anyway. So here's my little pistol. And he's getting some clay pigeons, and I'm going to hope that they get over there okay. I'm going to have to bubble wrap those babies. Black-eyed peas, we tested. I had some dried garbanzo beans. However, they're too big in diameter for the hole, the barrel. And unfortunately, there's not enough room, and they just hit the sides and bust inside. And yeah, so We tried out the black-eyed peas, and those work the best. And let me tell you, they hurt like a son of a gun. Because my youngest son decided to test them out on Mom. Anyway, here is a pea shooter repair kit. And the peas are going to go in there. And if you can see, they are operated by a balloon and some camo duct tape. They look like they're ridiculous little things that don't work, but let me tell you, they work. And here are some targets. So these are splattering targets, so this should be fun. And hopefully they can find something to pin those up with. If not, I actually might send some tacks with them. But anyway, so here they will have some real tree duct tape repair, or for whatever they might need the duct tape for. Here's some more repair. And so yeah, this is Tanner's Christmas gift from home. And hopefully many soldiers will be able to use this in future deployments over there when he leaves them behind. So